Welcome to my channel, All Around Mechanical. I just got back from the post office with this fine Vevor package. This thing was about 200 bucks, so that's probably about $20 American is what that equates to with the way things are going. And let's get into her. I seem to have misplaced my knife, so I do have this though. Well, there's the lid, power cord, and some hose. It says it's tough, so we'll find out. First impressions, I don't know, it seems heavily made. It seems like it's going to be deep enough for what I want. I wanted something I could put full-size truck carburetors in. It's about 10 degrees in here, so I'm curious to see how long it's going to take to come up the temperature. I'm going to leave it for about an hour here on just the heater and see what it does.
1 hour later.
Okay, so I've had this thing plugged in for just a bit over an hour now. And when I started out it was 10 degrees Celsius. So we've only came up to 44 degrees, but I've got a feeling that the ultrasonic transducers or the things that generate the frequency, they also probably introduce heat into this. So I ended up going with Simple Green for solution. This is 4 liters, and this thing advertises that it will it'll take 15 liters. I ended up putting about 10 liters in it, and it brings you up to that line up at the top there, which I don't know if I would go much more than that. This is the carb that I'm going to try out on it. As you can see, it's pretty dirty, and then this is the top half of it. So I'm curious to see what it's going to do. Something's happening.
20 minutes later.
This has been in here for 20 minutes. See what we got. Actually looks like it's doing pretty good. It looks like it busted up a lot of this gunk down on the bottom here. It's going to scratch at it. It looks like it's really dug away at a bunch of the corrosion. I guess all you can turn it up to is 30 minutes, so I'll hit her again here.
1 frozen wasteland later.
I've got some water here. I'm going to rinse these in. Well, all around, I do believe that this was a good purchase, buying this ultrasonic cleaner. Like, I've been looking at buying one for a while, but there hasn't been one that's really been big enough and, you know, affordably priced. So I'm a little bit disappointed that it doesn't take the full 15 liters, you know, without overflowing. But, you know, I think it's still big enough in order to, you know, get like a poly full-size carburetor in there. So I think it's going to be good for all my small engine carbs, as well as, you know, whenever I do get into like carb on my old boom truck. If you haven't, please comment, rate, and subscribe.